Today we have amazing news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and it will finally have a feature that we've all been waiting for. So, for the first news of the day, we have an update from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, who has supplied lots of trustworthy leaks over the last couple of years, and he believes that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset should be unveiled before November. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will continue to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 as a result of the rumor of an early release, which sadly implies that there won't likely be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus. Although this may be upsetting for him, it does imply that some cost savings on the Z Fold 5 are possible. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will drop the 50-megapixel camera in favor of a new 108-megapixel camera, similar to the one seen on the S22 Ultra, giving it a far superior camera system. The Fold's primary issue has always been with its camera, since it is such a costly item that people anticipate a lot better camera system, thus it is excellent news that Samsung is finally listening. According to the source, it would be complemented by a 64-megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. If it's utilizing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, I'm guessing the cost savings have enabled them to integrate this improved camera system, hopefully without raising the price too much. A purported prototype was presented at CES last week, and it displayed a very small gadget, which many assumed was the Z Fold 5. It was only a prototype to demonstrate the new hinge that folds fully flat, and of course, this new hinge will be utilized in the Z Fold 5. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be somewhat taller, broader, and thicker than its predecessor, but because to its new flat hinge, it should still be lovely and comfy to grip and carry in a pocket. The larger size should enable a little better aspect ratio on the external display, while the increase in thickness is apparently for the feature that we've all been waiting for. Finally, a S Pen slot. The Fold series has supported the S Pen for many generations, but it's not very helpful if there's nowhere to put it. If we had a S Pen slot inside the Z Fold 5, that would be a tremendous improvement to the Fold series. Of course, we're sure to see many additional enhancements, such as new software capabilities and an enhanced display, and when test devices become available, we'll see a lot more accurate leaks. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.